Got your nose. What are you talking about? That's a mutton. Wait, I'm in my butt. Like this. Wait. Oh! Pies! Can you guys hear her? Pies, come here. Come here, come here. I think she wants out. She's kind of a... Oh, are you yawning? I thought there was something in the game, but it was her. She's so cute. I know. Come here, Pies. Come here, come here. She doesn't listen very well, though. This whole time, I have my tongue out. Come here. Come here. Stop honking. Come here. Hold on. I'm gonna try. Come here, come here, come here. She doesn't listen very well. I don't think she like... No. Yeah, you sweet girl. Yes, you are. Okay, she just wants out. Hold on. Give me 1 second. So weird.